Now let's move on and see how to define a component and use it. That's very important thing, correct? To define a component, you have to define a component class, which is a plain ES6 class. And on top of that, you have to mention @component decorator. So there are some mandatory property like selector and template. In selector, you can mention your selector name with what component should appear on the DOM. So whenever component appear in the HTML, it will put a template inside the particular selector. So we are going to see that in soon. And style will be for that component, whatever style you want to apply, you can mention there. Let's see how it looks like. Suppose app root is our component and it appears on the HTML like this. So when Angular is initialized and it sees that app root element is on HTML, it will put its template inside the app root element and it will appear like this on the HTML.